Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Prefect agents and services, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Prefect agents and services, begin by stopping any running Prefect agents. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type the command to stop the agent. If you are using Docker, run the necessary Docker commands to stop the container. Next, ensure that all Prefect services are stopped. Check for any running Prefect services by listing active services. If you see any still running, use the appropriate commands to terminate them. Once all agents and services are halted, you can proceed with the uninstallation. If you installed Prefect using a package manager, you can remove it with a simple command. For pip installations, use the command to uninstall the Prefect package. If you installed Prefect using Homebrew, run the brew uninstall command. For other installation methods, follow the specific uninstallation instructions relevant to those methods. After you have uninstalled Prefect, verify that no related files or directories remain. You can do this by navigating to the location where Prefect was installed. Check for any remaining configuration files or folders. If found, delete these manually to ensure a clean uninstallation. Finally, restart your terminal or command prompt to refresh your environment. Now you have successfully uninstalled Prefect agents and services from your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.